Only attack on me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers are one nation in dancehall music. We're not going to sit idly by and watch as this situation unfolds and one of Vybz Kartel's former proteges, viewers and subscribers, Tommy Lee Sparta, for those not in the know, was rushed to the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James, viewers and subscribers, after experiencing severe vomiting. Now there are word that a lawsuit is in the works, viewers and subscribers, for the JCF, because for the last number of years, viewers and subscribers, at least once per year, Tommy Lee Sparta's name has been added to some list in some way, shape or form, and he has been detained. Now, his lawyer, Ernest Smith, confirmed the development with one of Jamaica's largest tabloids. He spoke and he said, as quoted, he was taken to the Cornwall Regional Hospital for treatment and subsequently discharged. Tommy Lee Sparta is spending his second week behind bars in Freeport, Montego Bay. Smith said he is convinced that the lawmen are deliberately keeping the dancehall DJ detained despite not being charged. He said the entertainer has been in custody since Tuesday, July the 7th. He also said they, the lawmen, the JCF, told him that the final session was on that morning when Tommy Lee Sparta was rushed. He said the questions and answers session took place. You know what I mean? Questions were asked, questions were answered. He said, I was advised by the senior officer that that's it. The police have no further interest in Tommy Lee Sparta and that he would be released that day. I guess it was the day prior to him being rushed, not the same day. Now he said, viewers and subscribers, they are punishing Mr. Russell without just cause. Yes, without just cause. Now, with that being said, put that into focus. If your attorney at law is making a public statement that, based upon what he knows about the law, viewers and subscribers, that they now have no cause to keep him detained. But Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, and Tommy Lee Sparta have been used as what? What have they been used at? Not just scapegoats, viewers and subscribers. They have been used to set a certain example in a dancehall music. With Vybz Kartel, them try to show us they don't want free thinkers. They don't want nobody to use them platform for certain things. When the teachers sing all them other songs, yes, there were people in society where say, oh, they don't like the song and it's too edgy, too raunchy, but them never do nothing. When them realize say, no, the teacher has not changed, he's still prolific, still speaks for the ghetto, still touch the topics where, you know what I mean, even certain members of the reggae community have not touched those topics. They must say, no, this is a free thinker. Is that somebody who try to rally the people together? We now go work with them. Tommy Lee Sparta, viewers and subscribers, even just by musical contributions, has shown the dancehall industry and the wider world at large that artists and individuals from Mobile, we now call it no second city, Mobile City, viewers and subscribers, has shown not only extreme creativity, not only in music, but also in them other endeavors where them useful as the people that say, get the money. And now, from the artists to the people involved in that same getting the money situation, everybody's been made into an example, viewers and subscribers. Even people who used to dial and collect, who have now established or legitimized their settings, are still being taken. So even if they used to do it, stop, and you open your business, as long as they're involved with certain people, and your name cross the decks of some of these mock officers, you will be taken in. And that's right there. For Tommy Lee Sparta, though, viewers and subscribers, it is a unique situation because him also represent for them same people, while at the same time representing for the dancehall culture in Mobile. Also, where I take place with dancehall artists from Mobile. Majority of dancehall artists from Mobile, either because of JCF pressure, have either have to leave the community permanently, as Tommy Lee Sparta has had to leave his community permanently. He's no longer a resident of the him not living in the parish, none at all. Yes, we have properties all over, you know what I mean? But the artist does not reside in Mobile St. James. And that is because of JCF pressures. When I say every year them will on the artist squash, man, Tommy Lee Sparta might not be, you know what I mean? The best of friends, but their situation is the same. And Squash himself no longer resides in the parish either. So when we go on Rygin King, once Rygin King is released from hospital, he will no longer reside in the parish either. TJ, well, not for certain reasons, but because of pursuing of the music and his career, no longer resides in the parish either. None of Mobile star them no live in Mobile. Notice it. None of the big names from Mobile music scene are no longer residents of Mobile. They are being made into examples, viewers and subscribers. And as I say, I don't know the facts. We don't know why them calling Tommy Lee Sparta. Some people say what it take place in the youth. Some people say the connection. Some people say our Serpy. Them did say. Some people say all kind of things. These have yet to be verified. Even the JCF has not yet verified this. Them calling me for questions and answers. Questions were asked, they were answered, and him still there. So we don't really see or know the real motives behind the decisions of saying bringing Tommy Lee Sparta. We still don't know. What has been confirmed, though, viewers and subscribers, is that what them tell people so them want see him for, they've already seen him for that. No, having stayed beyond his time there, see there, they will have to rush him to the Cornwall Regional. Them can let him go in. No, if a lawsuit is in the works, look for Wagwan, unlawful detainment. Being what we can consider the fact say if him never vomit excessively before being put into lockup and it start occur being prior to being there, then we can say being injured while in lockup. And something we can add to it too. So if there is a lawsuit in the works, there is merit. Plus there's the added fact that yearly, whatever want to say annually, yearly, them all on Tommy Lee Sparta. Last year, them all on him, the artists lose millions. During that time, them all on him during that time, them career away. He may have some of the most bookings. He may have some hot songs. He may just drop an album. And them all on him during that time. So, just to say, the year before that was the same thing again. So, the attorneys or the attorney can say, yo, he has noticed a pattern. Where every year, or if something occurs in the community or in the parish, them want to see him. What if the artist was on tour in Europe? Would they still say him no Wagwan? Because they're saying that even if he not reside in the parish, him can still have information. So what did I say to see him say if he was internationally, overseas? Then would I say him have information and I request him forward into? Is this where we are at as a state? Where the people who we have charged to do our investigations, the people who we have given that task, who we pay our tax dollars to, I gotta tell me so them can't bother to look through the evidence and look through the information. So them is gonna call this brother here for this brother here clear it up for them and even for pay them. My tax dollars need to go to Tommy Lee Sparta when it comes to Mobile investigations, because like the investigators now have decided that them now go investigate and all them go do ask Tommy Lee Sparta to tell them because he must know. We need to talk about that. That is something need to be addressed to. Why are investigators not investigating but rather seeking for individuals to tell them what I want? against their will. But I said the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, they just a pass through, but they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as upon the platform. The like icon, the turn up a like on the blog for me, like where your sure icon is in close proximity. So you can tell a friend, tell them sister and them, brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you know the something go. Yeah man, now move settings fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that we no live, love and prosper. Until we reason again.